Have you been searching for that place out in the country that's still going to be close to modern conveniences? Well, this may be just the one for you. Welcome to 365 Country Mile Road. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home with a loft. The 12 by 16 tool shed is wired for lights and power. This is a manufactured home by Champion. It is a Athens Park Home Royal. The home sits on 5.6 acres just outside of Camdenton on a private road. So if this is just what you've been looking for, give me a call. Shoot me a message. I'd love to help. My name's Hale with RE/MAX Lake of the Ozarks.